Welcome to this rapid global tutorial video for the incident reporting package. My name is Jared, and in this video I will show you how to close incident reports that have completed each stage of the workflow. To find all incident reports that are ready to be closed, select the grey box labelled Corrective Actions Complete. You can review each incident report, investigation report, or corrective action notes by using the action icons and finding the drop-down menu to the right of the incident report. To close the incident reports, select Close Incident. You will be asked to confirm this action, so to complete the closure, select Yes. This concludes the process flow for an incident report. Thanks for watching this guide on how to close incident reports, and we'll see you again in another rapid global tutorial video.